Backstrap Ninja. Backstrap Ninja.
That's right, everybody. Chief here. That's right. We've been out on zombie patrol. That's right. Zombie patrol. The damn zombies, they're trying to learn the ninja techniques and sneak around to eat people. We're not going to have it. We're going on patrol. That's right. We've been out in the woods. We've been setting up cameras. We've been doing everything. We're going to catch these damn zombies and put an end to them. So, stick around. This is part 1. Part 2, okay, you're going to see lots of zombies getting killed. And let me give you warning now, it's going to be extremely graphic. Warning, part 2, extremely graphic. No whining about it after it's been aired. Okay, it's going to be airing soon. Watch for it, part 2 of the Zombie Ninjas. Alright, this is Chief. I love all your guts. Over and out. Backstrap Ninja out.